I may get lucky for a change. Hey everyone, Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new tumbler project. This is another pink glitter sublimation tumbler that I got from the Stainless Depot. Again, they were having a sale. This is a 30-ounce skinny straight. I took it and I applied a thin layer of resin, and into the thin layer of resin I mixed some. This is the 504 glitter from Mr. Nola's glitter. I think it's an ultra fine rainbow or hollow. I'm not, or both maybe. So this is the original pink glitter sublimation tumbler with more glitter on top. And again, it doesn't show up all that well on camera that it has extra sparkle, but you sure can see it in person. So I want to do another one of these very quick cups that's basically, you take a glitter tumbler, you wrap some vinyl on it, and you're good to go pretty much. I mean, it needs more resin on top of that, obviously, but we have this beautiful sticky sheet from Mr. Nola's glitter, and when I saw these two together side by side, I thought, oh yeah, I have to do this. I have to do this. So I'm going to trim it down, and basically it's going to be a full cup wrap all the way around. And whether I decide to put something on it in terms of a saying, I'm not even sure it needs that, to be honest with you. Somebody could have their name on it, or you could put, in script beach vibes or something like that. Quick and dirty, here we go. I'm going to start by trimming off the edges. I cut it a little long. I will trim it off with my edge trimmer. This way I'm not worried about it being wonky a little bit as I wrap it around. I may get lucky for a change and it works. Wouldn't that be a novel thing? First, we're going to trim the bottom. I have my edge trimmer, my cup edger. So you want to either pull it towards you or push it away from you, but you're pressing it against the blade and turning the cup at the same time. Now for the bottom, same deal. Start at the seam so that you know when you've gone all the way around, and do the same thing. Okay, now the other piece I wanted to put here. So now technically you can't even really see where there was a seam. I am going to put some pink nail tape on the top and the bottom just to, make it look a little more finished. And then it'll be time to go to resin. I can always take it off if I don't like it, right? There we go. Again, if you wanted to put something across it, you do it anywhere, really. We don't have a seam now. I may seal this with a layer of Counterculture DIY's Quick Coat, their urethane sealer. It just saves you from any of the little edges or something lifting underneath the resin. So I'll put a layer of this at least around the edges and down the seam area. Resin it, and tell you, the next time you see this baby, she should be out in the sunshine looking gorgeous and ready for the beach.